Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TIA. In my previous videos, I've been showing you a rising wedge pattern that TIA formed on the daily time frame chart. And now you can see that we have broken down the support of this wedge. After the breakdown, you can see that the price end so far is not able to break down this next support of $10.80 and geared up, but got rejected again by the resistance at the support of the channel that is now working as a resistance and also by this resistance of $15 as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared on 27th of December 2023 with my members. And this move produced almost 50% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you my most recent trade signal for TIA that I shared with my members on 27th of December 2023, almost 10 days ago. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that TIA formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade set of the buying range and the sell targets on and below $11.64 was our stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 50% pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move and this was the complete trade setup, the buying range and the sell target line and the stop loss. And I shared this idea on 19th of December 2023. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started another very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 31% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern on 27th of November 2023. That was formed on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this was the complete trade setup. The buying range and the sell target zone, and below $5.01 was our stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone, and this was almost 182%, very massive pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, and you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart and this is the daily time frame chart. And previously, by the way, I have been showing you this breakout from this symmetrical triangle that was visible on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after that, we had a massive pump and the price and got stuck inside in this rising wedge pattern. Like we had a bounce here, we had rejection, bounce. From here, we got another bounce, rejection, and bounce. And finally, we broke down the support. And after the breakdown, you can see that recently the price line has retested the previous support of the wedge as a resistance and got rejected and moving towards the next support that we have at $10.80. Quite strong support we have here. And you can see for the past several days, price line did not break it down even after this long spike. You can see price and could not break down this support of $10.80. And before that, during this rally here on 6th of December, it has been breaking as a resistance. And therefore, after the breakout, it is flipped into a strong support. Now you can see that the price line is also rejected by this long-term resistance of $15 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here for several days. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we need to break out this $15 resistance level. In my opinion, if the price breaks out this $15 resistance, then it can try to re-enter the same rising wedge pattern as well. And by the way, there is another perspective of another support here. Like you can see that we had two bounces from here. And after that, you can see we had another bounce here. And right now, you can see that the price line is again dropping down. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may also respect this uptrend line support. But we need to emphasize on this support of $10.80. That is more important than this uptrend line support because if it will be broken down, then we can expect a big drop. And in order to continue this rally, we need to keep an eye on this resistance of $15. And you can see for the past several days, it is breaking at the resistance. If the price breaks it out, then this rally can be continued. This was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.